it comes back again. So after it's gone past the end of this road, it goes around and comes back up here, you'll see. I don't even know how it gets up there. This is at 4:28. So watch, it's going to come up here now. It's very weird. Why would it come back? You can hear it. Here it comes. Goes across. And then it goes this way. Isn't that bizarre? Why would a perp come back after driving off and then drive off in that direction? I guess that's to throw the police off, who think he's in a white Elantra. He's actually in a black truck. I don't know how he gets back to the white Elantra, unless obviously that might be the other person, whoever drove the white Elantra behind him. I don't know. I'm completely confused now. I think there are two people involved in this somehow, but I don't know how. Maybe it is Brent Kopacker. I don't know.